Okay, yes, so let's go ahead with our beautiful class. So as we have already seen the C scale, which is just these white notes, and we know that this is do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, la, mi, do. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and back to 1, 4, 8. So this distance between the two C's is also known as the octave. And with that in mind, we have our do, and that's where we are going to be starting from. So what we are going to do in this class, we are not just going to be going through, but we are going to combine just different notes. So we are going to be moving and playing along. So we are going to start with a progression 1, 6, 2, and 5. Okay, so let's go. I'm putting my metronome at 50 and on single notes, quarter notes. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Okay, so now notice that all my hand positions are in the root position. Root position means where my finger in the left is, that's where my thumb is. So I'm just moving. You remember, jump 1, skip 1 like that. All right, remember our formula for forming the chords in a scale. Just need to use 1, 3, and 5. So that's exactly what I'm using, and I'm not changing my fingering position, just the same thing. So then to 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, then to 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I put in inversions, it would sound like this. And so you can see that with inversions, it is kind of, hard work, because you're going to be changing your hand shapes, and I don't want you to go for that at this moment. So we are going to keep it in just our root positions. Yeah, now root positions. And you can also notice how my left hand is actually spread out to move to the next note before my right hand gets there. For beginners, that's very important, because you're going to have an issue with your left hand agreeing with your right hand. So what you do is you move your fingers in the left before the right ones, just as I have showed you like. So as this one is waiting, your hand is already in position for the next note. You see, my pink is already there. So and this one is already on C, so I can keep on going. My thumb is already in position, and my pink is already in position for my next chord. Yes, so that is our first progression. Yes, so you know, I can't go without thanking you guys for being so good to me, for tuning in, always looking out for the lessons. And you know, just keep on inviting your friends, share with them the content, and ensure that you have already subscribed, because there is more that is coming your way. So make sure that you have subscribed and you have turned on the notification button, and we are going to be having a beautiful time as we learn the keyboard. Yes, see you in the next one. Don't forget to share with your friends. I love you guys.